and welcome back to our official channel of Soap Studio. Today we are learning how to add a zoom in functions uh, as in eBay and Amazon like this. To add this feature, first of all go to our dashboard, then go to plugins, then add a new plugin, search for image WP zoom image WP image zoom uh, by Silky Press, then install it. And activate it. After activating it, go to click WP image zoom over here, and you can choose lenses over here. This is no lens. You get a circle lens, square lens, and we will be using this in a new window. You can increase its width and height here. Save changes and go to our product page, refresh it, and here it has been added. Let's increase our width and height. Go to zoom window. I'll add this 500, this as a 500. Distance I'll put it 20 pixel. Save changes. Refresh it, and this is how you can add the zoom in function in our WordPress product page. Hope you learned it, and thank you for today. Like and subscribe to our channel.